Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.